Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of traditional fashion with the incredibly stylish Bhagyashree Bose. Known for her impeccable taste, Bhagyashree effortlessly combines tradition with modern flair. Bhagyashree's traditional fashion choices are a celebration of cultural richness and heritage. Let's explore some of her favorite picks. Bhagyashree's love for saris is evident in the diverse range she flaunts. From vibrant silk to elegant cotton, each sari tells a story of tradition and grace. Anarkali suits are a timeless choice, and the beauty carries them with utmost sophistication. The flowing silhouettes and intricate embroidery showcase the beauty of Indian craftsmanship. When it comes to festive occasions, her lehenga game is on point. Vibrant colors, intricate details, and a touch of glam make her a vision to behold. Bhagyashree's attention to detail extends to her choice of accessories. Traditional jewelry pieces like jhumkas, mangtikka, and statement necklaces complete her looks with finesse. Her expertise in dupatta draping adds an artistic touch to her outfits. Whether it's a classic shoulder drape, a stylish pleated look, or a casual loop around the neck, her creativity knows no bounds. One cannot ignore Bhagyashree's innate sense of color coordination. From contrasting hues that pop to subtle monochromatic elegance, she effortlessly plays with colors to create visually stunning ensembles. Completing her traditional looks with the perfect pair of footwear is a signature move for Bhagyashree. Whether it's jutis, kolhapuris, or embellished heels, her attention to detail extends to every element of her ensemble. Her hairstyles are a crucial part of her traditional look. Intricate braids, adorned with flowers or traditional hair accessories, add an extra layer of elegance and authenticity to her overall appearance. Bhagyashree's admiration for handloom fabrics is evident in her wardrobe. Whether it's the elegance of a Banarasi or the simplicity of a hand-woven cotton sari, she embraces the craftsmanship and authenticity that handloom brings to her traditional looks. The blouse is often the canvas for artistic expression, and she knows it well. Intricate embroidery, modern cuts, and innovative necklines make her blouse designs stand out, adding a contemporary twist to her traditional attire. The beauty seamlessly transitions her traditional wardrobe with the seasons. From light cotton dresses in summer to rich velvet ensembles in winter, her fashion choices reflect both practicality and style. Embracing the charm of yesteryears, Bhagyashree occasionally incorporates vintage elements into her outfits. Whether it's a classic hand-woven shawl or heirloom jewelry, she pays homage to timeless traditions. Her wardrobe is a celebration of India's diverse cultures. Whether it's the vibrant bandhani from Gujarat, the regal kanjivaram from Tamil Nadu, or the intricate fulkari from Punjab, she effortlessly showcases the richness of our country's textile heritage. Amidst the ever-changing trends, her closet boasts timeless classics. An elegant black sari, a well-fitted anarkali, or a crisp white kurta, these pieces remain eternally stylish, proving that true fashion transcends fleeting fads. Bhagyashree is not just a fashion icon, she's also an advocate for traditional artisans. By showcasing outfits handcrafted with love and skill, she contributes to the preservation of ancient crafts, making her fashion choices not just stylish but socially conscious. What sets Bhagyashree apart is her ability to infuse her unique personality into traditional ensembles. Whether it's a quirky accessory or a personalized touch in her styling, each outfit becomes a canvas for self-expression. Her creativity extends to her sari draping techniques. From the modern, dhoti style, to the traditional, nevi drape, she constantly explores innovative ways to showcase the beauty of the sari. Drawing inspiration from the golden era of Indian cinema, Bhagyashree occasionally brings back retro charm into her traditional wardrobe. Vintage silhouettes, polka dots, and classic hairstyles add a touch of nostalgia to her timeless looks. The actress tailors her outfits to reflect the spirit of various cultural festivals. Be it the vibrant hues of Holi, the regal attire for Diwali, or the simplicity of Pongal celebrations, she captures the essence of each festival through her clothing. Bhagyashree often collaborates with renowned traditional fashion designers, bringing their creations to life. These collaborations not only showcase her support for talented designers but also offer viewer a glimpse into the evolving landscape of traditional fashion. The beauty has a penchant for collecting textiles with fascinating stories. From heirloom Banarasi silk passed down through generations to regional weaves with historical significance, each piece in her collection tells a captivating tale of craftsmanship and tradition. She goes beyond the aesthetics, using her platform to support social causes. By choosing outfits crafted by artisans from marginalized communities or those contributing to sustainable fashion, she embodies the idea that fashion can be a force for positive change. Family heirlooms play a significant role in her traditional fashion journey. Whether it's her grandmother's vintage jewelry or her mother's wedding sari, incorporating these cherished pieces adds a sentimental layer to her ensembles. Bhagyashree uses her fashion choices as a canvas for promoting awareness. Wearing outfits that symbolize cultural heritage or carry messages of empowerment, she gracefully advocates for the importance of education and cultural understanding. Her wardrobe reflects a commitment to timeless tailoring. Whether it's the precise cut of a traditional kurta or the intricate detailing on a lehenga, her outfits exemplify the artistry of skilled craftsmen, creating pieces that stand the test of time. Bhagyashree effortlessly balances tradition with modern minimalism. Her occasional choice of simpler, clean-cut outfits showcases a contemporary take on traditional fashion, proving that less can indeed be more when it comes to making a statement. Festive seasons see Bhagyashree experimenting with fusion wear. An amalgamation of traditional and contemporary styles, her festive fusion outfits capture the essence of celebration while providing a fresh perspective on cultural attire. The beauty often adds her personal touch to traditional outfits through DIY embellishments. Be it hand-stitched embroidery, fabric painting, or unique accessorizing, her creativity transforms basic garments into personalized masterpieces. Her fashion acumen extends to the choice of seasonal color palettes. From the vibrant hues of spring to the warm tones of autumn, her wardrobe seamlessly transitions with nature, creating a harmonious connection between her attire and the changing seasons. Accessories are not just adornments for Bhagyashree. They are storytellers. Each piece, whether it's a handcrafted necklace or a vintage brooch, carries a narrative that adds depth and character to her overall traditional look. She often draws inspiration from regional cuisines in her fashion choices. Attires that mirror the vibrancy of spices, the elegance of culinary traditions, or the simplicity of local ingredients showcase her unique approach to blending the worlds of fashion and gastronomy. Her flair for monochrome is nothing short of magical. Whether it's an all-white sari ensemble or a rich burgundy anarkali suit, her monochromatic choices exude sophistication and make a powerful fashion statement. Bhagyashree's traditional fashion choices go hand in hand with her commitment to sustainability. She often opts for outfits crafted from eco-friendly fabrics and supports brands that prioritize ethical practices, demonstrating that fashion can be both stylish and environmentally conscious. Her creativity extends beyond accessorizing. She occasionally experiments with fabrics. From tie-dye experiments to hand-painted motifs, her DIY fabric transformations breathe new life into traditional garments, adding a touch of individuality to each piece. Bhagyashree's traditional fashion isn't confined to regional boundaries. She draws inspiration from global cultures, incorporating elements from different parts of the world to create unique fusion looks that transcend cultural barriers. The beauty actively participates in initiatives that promote and preserve cultural heritage through fashion. Whether it's supporting traditional weaving communities or collaborating with heritage revival projects, her influence goes beyond the realm of personal style. Bhagyashree is a vocal advocate for inclusivity in fashion. Her wardrobe is a testament to the idea that traditional attire is for everyone, regardless of age, body type, or cultural background. She encourages diversity and celebrates the beauty of individuality through her fashion journey. The beauty actively participates in reviving vintage textiles. By incorporating rare and forgotten fabrics into her outfits, she not only pays homage to the craftsmanship of bygone eras but also ensures that these beautiful textiles find a place in contemporary fashion. The actress leverages social media to engage with her audience on a deeper level. Through interactive storytelling, she shares the cultural and personal narratives behind each traditional ensemble, creating a vibrant community passionate about preserving and embracing heritage. Bhagyashree's traditional fashion journey extends to personalized tailoring. Her outfits are not just chosen for their aesthetic appeal but are tailored to complement her unique body shape, emphasizing the importance of finding styles that resonate with individual preferences. Her traditional fashion choices extend into collaborative ventures. Through partnerships with artists and craftsmen from various cultures, she brings forth unique pieces that blend her personal style with the richness of diverse traditions, fostering a global appreciation for cultural heritage. Bhagyashree occasionally takes us on a journey through her fashion archives. These showcases not only display the evolution of her style but also serve as a visual documentation of the ever-changing landscape of traditional fashion, offering a glimpse into the timeless beauty of her wardrobe. Her commitment to traditional fashion is exemplified by her direct engagement with artisans. Through insightful interviews, she sheds light on the stories behind the intricate craftsmanship, creating a bridge between the creators and consumers of traditional attire. Bhagyashree extends her passion for traditional fashion by organizing DIY workshops. These events empower individuals to explore their creativity, learn traditional crafting techniques, and create their own unique pieces, fostering a community of hands-on enthusiasts. Her traditional fashion choices often draw inspiration from the culinary world. Whether it's a sari reflecting the vibrant hues of spices or an anarkali suit echoing the elegance of traditional feasts, her outfits pay homage to the culinary heritage of different regions. Bhagyashree actively contributes to the documentation of traditional fashion heritage. Through curated content and informative videos, she shares insights into the historical significance of various traditional garments, contributing to the preservation and understanding of our rich sartorial legacy. Bhagyashree's traditional fashion choices aren't just about personal expression, they carry a philanthropic spirit. Through charity fashion shows, fundraisers, and collaborations with charitable organizations, she utilizes fashion as a powerful tool to make a positive impact on society. The beauty extends her fashion influence beyond women's attire, occasionally inspiring traditional men's fashion. Whether it's kurta pajama sets, sherwanis, or Indo-Western ensembles, her stylistic choices transcend gender boundaries, promoting the beauty of traditional attire for all. Her traditional fashion choices often echo the enchanting tales of folklore. Whether it's motifs inspired by ancient stories or silhouettes reminiscent of cultural legends, her outfits become a canvas for storytelling, connecting wearers to the rich tapestry of heritage. Bhagyashree keeps her audience involved in her traditional fashion journey by hosting interactive style challenges. Her commitment to preserving traditional fashion extends to the digital realm. Through carefully curated digital archives, she shares insights into the evolution of traditional attire, making this wealth of knowledge accessible to a global audience passionate about the heritage of clothing. Bhagyashree's traditional fashion often pays homage to cinematic aesthetics. Whether it's outfits inspired by iconic Bollywood classics or a nod to regional cinema, her wardrobe becomes a canvas that celebrates the timeless influence of movies on fashion. And there you have it, Bhagyashree Bose's timeless traditional fashion choices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.